I don't think there's anybody that would want to go back to doing things the way they were without lean.
So you can click back and forth to your work orders. You can click around your parts. You couldn't do that. You're writing them on paper all the time and handing it to this person and this person. And I can access L2L from here. I can access my line from here. And so, yes, it's way, way more efficient and modern.
But at Lagunitas, we face the problem that many new people get on board in Lagunitas and we have to train them. At the same time, we have the existing population, new knowledge out there on the shop floor in an accessible way, and that we have the technology that facilitates the step-by-step instruction to guide people in their way of working. We don't want to go back to paper again. We want it to be in a platform where it's visible and easy to use. And at the same time, we can tap into the network of our mother company so we can copy paste their knowledge into our brewery.
I know my team really appreciates the ability to just bring it up on their phone, and it's a interface that they're familiar with, and it's something that they can engage with regularly and easily. The other, I think, key advantage for us is as a company that's continuing to grow, if we need to update an SOP or we want to take fresh pictures because, hey, we redid the wiring or, hey, we redid the piping, it's easy. We can make those corrections and then they're right there available for us when we need them in the field.
We, on a day-to-day basis in quality assurance, there are some tests which we perform and we use chemicals for that. So it is important to be aware of how to go about while handling the hazardous chemicals. So it gives us a detailed instruction of how to refer the MSDS and use the appropriate PPEs while going about the analysis. So there are some instances where I might be slightly unsure of whether what I'm doing is right or not, and it may not be giving me confidence. Just scan it and then I have a detailed instruction. So I don't have to have that second thought in my mind of whether what I'm doing is right or not. And I can ensure that I'm confidently doing my job well without any incidents happening out of that.
From a maintenance standpoint, we are connected to everything on the production side now. We have a lot of information at our fingertips, and it makes us more productive in the things that we do.
Now with L2L, we have that ability to see live data. It's mind blowing. There's so much available at your hands readily. It's incredible.
The data collection aspect of L2L is what really goes far and beyond for us and allows us to be a lot more proactive in our activity and keep up our key KPIs and metrics that we want to see to be successful as a company. You can't put a value on it. It is priceless.